Decadent and compelling, only a select few can resist the charm of a luscious and creamy chocolate bar. However, not all chocolates are made equal, but don't worry, we got you covered. Indulge yourself in the chocolates produced by some of the best brands in the business. We have listed some of the best chocolate brands in the world. Number 1. Lindt and Sprüngli. Recognized as the market leader in the extra expensive chocolate segment, Lindt and Sprüngli have finished a whopping 175 years of existence. It is considered one of the most iconic brands withinside the market, providing a wide range of products in over 120 countries around the world. Widely believed to be one of the maximum coveted chocolate manufacturers, Lindt and Sprüngli have been making the world a happy place with their bars and miniature single squares, in types along with milk chocolate, peanut butter, mint chocolate, and lots of others. Their global key brand stays the Lindt Brand, which is their premium chocolate brand using the finest excellent chocolate. Number 2. Gillian. A Belgian chocolate brand, Gillian was able to carve a strong niche for itself in the luxury chocolate segment. The call is a fusion of Guy and Liliana Foubert, the husband-spouse duo who started the corporation in 1960. Gillian Sweets had been helping tens of thousands and thousands of humans throughout the globe to embody their ardor for wealthy and luscious Belgian flavors. The melt-in-mouth sweets and the unique seahorse logo make sure that the brand doesn't go unnoticed. This European's brand, signature milk and darkish chocolate seashells, chocolate truffles, wealthy hazelnut pralines, and velvety fruit mousses have helped them clinch regular global recognition. Number 3. Ferrero Rocher. The Italian brand was founded by Michael Ferrero in 1982 in Europe. The specific golden creation offers the perfect fusion of wafer crunch, milk chocolate, and the heady taste of hazelnut. The chocolate has been named after a grotto in the Roman Catholic shrine of Lourdes, Rocher de Massabielle. Not surprisingly, the brand is the largest consumer of hazelnut in the world, gobbling about 25% of the world's hazelnut supply. This European's chocolate brand's key ingredient, lecithin, is used broadly as a treatment for excessive cholesterol, depression, and anxiety. The golden glint single-piece packaging and the radical idea it gives impart a robust logo picture and excessive purchaser appeal. Number 4. Godiva. Nearly 100 years after being observed in Brussels, Godiva chocolates continue to honor their Belgian roots and heritage. The Lady Godiva-inspired company continues to ensure that its recipes are closely guarded. In addition to their incredible desserts and pralines, human beings are hooked to their chocolate-dipped strawberries and specific flavors. The European chocolate logo is extensively seen as an innovator withinside the connoisseur chocolate phase and is straightaway recognizable via its golden boxes. In light of its excellence, Godiva has been appointed as the supplier to the Court of Belgium. Number 5. Scharfenberger. This relatively new brand was founded in 1997 by connoisseur Robert Steinberg and winemaker John Scharfenberger in San Francisco. They market their products as chocolate with the soul of a wine, with a detailed production process. All of the manner from the bean to the bar, the European chocolate logo provides a taste like no other. Scharfenberger sweets are cautiously crafted through artisanal production techniques which impart a completely unique taste profile. Number 6. Ghirardelli. A division of Lindt, Ghirardelli is primarily based totally withinside the US. It is an employer that makes a specialty of gourmand chocolates, and that they had been in commercial enterprise considering the fact that 1852. Although they are better known for chocolates, they also make hot cocoa and various baking mixes that are super popular during the holiday season. They are one of the main chocolate producers inside the U.S., and its sustainability efforts over the previous few years modified the manner its practices affect neighborhood farmers. Number 7. Milka. Milka is another German organization that became based in Switzerland in 1901. The company is one of the maximum famous manufacturers in chocolate in Europe, and their German producer this is based in Laroque produces near 140,000 tons of chocolate a year. Aside from chocolates, they also manufacture chocolate-covered biscuits and cookies, all as delicious as their chocolates.